Hi guys, today I will show you how to build $1,000 a month with dividend income. Welcome everybody new at this channel. As you all know, we always talk about stock market, passive income, and we are in love with dividend investing strategy. If you still don't know what are dividends, let me explain this very fast. Dividends are payments made by a company to owners of the company's stock. They are a way for companies to distribute revenue back to investors. Investors are trying to confuse you, and Wall Street monsters will always tell you how dividend investing is not easy and you need millions to make small returns. If you watch this video till the end, I will show you how easy you can build passive monthly income with just 3 stocks. Before I show you a perfect example, I need to tell you this 5 things. Please pay attention carefully. 1. If dividend yield is too high, that means more than 4%, check out balance sheets. Look why are investors selling out of the company stock that is causing yield to go up. If stock that you are watching are REITs, then you are all good, as they pay higher dividend payouts because commercial properties generate rental income, but they also tend to increase in value over time. 2. Watch for consistent payout ratio. Healthy payout ratio should not go up in last 5 years. That means that company is paying more to shareholders without improving revenue year after year. This can also be a red flag. Also check the dividend growth history. You can use websites like seekingalpha.com. Type your ticker symbol and go to dividend growth sections, and if you see something like this, that is also a red flag. 3. I am trying to make this easy to understand for everyone. Please let me know in comments if you have any questions. Don't forget about capital gains over years and reinvesting dividends over years that will bring you even more income over years. 4. If you are scared to do this, then you should focus on ETFs. You don't need to check their earnings every quarter or their balance sheets. Put money in them and relax for long term. Some of good ETFs to check are SCHD, VYM, SPHD, NOBL, VTI. 5. And most important thing here is smashing that like button and sharing this with people who don't have any passive income and they live paycheck to paycheck. Today we will choose Merck, Procter Gamble, and McDonald's. Ticker symbol MRK. Industry, drug manufacturers. Market cap, $202 billion. Price, at the moment of this video, 76.37 USD. 5-year performance, up 30.6%. Dividend yield, 3.06%. Annual payout, $2.44. Dividend growth, 9 years. We need approximately 1,648 shares of MRK to generate annually income of approximately $4,000. Ticker symbol, PG. Industry, household and personal products. Market cap, $284 billion. Price, at the moment of this video, 112.60 USD. 5-year performance, up 40.6%. Dividend yield, 2.72%. Annual payout, $3.16. Dividend growth, 63 years. We need approximately 1,270 shares of MCD to generate annually income of approximately $4,000. Ticker symbol, MCD. Industry, restaurants. Market cap, $134 billion. Price, at the moment of this video, 184.41 USD. 5-year performance, up 81.4%. Dividend yield, 2.78%. Annual payout, $5. Dividend growth, 43 years. We need approximately 800 shares of MCD to generate annually income of approximately $4,000. January, Merck. February, P&G. March, McDonald's. April, Merck. May, P&G. June, McDonald's. July, Merck. August, P&G. September, McDonald's. October, Merck. November, P&G. December, McDonald's. If you want to learn more about dividend investing, check out our videos. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe because education should be free.